Alright, good morning. Dave not here for 123 Day Trade. Today's Thursday, November 7th. It's going to be the only other day I'll be able to trade this week. This is the high. It doesn't look like that's going to hold. We got some levels that I'm looking at above here, right here at R1. This is yesterday's range off of the inventory report. It went up one tick higher. No volume to speak of yet off of this move. Alright, so let's pay attention to what's going on in the overall market right now. Well, I'm not just jumping in. Here's what we got going on, right? We have these levels up here that the market can get back to. This is the hourly chart you're looking at right now. And I'm using this low down here up against this high, and then that's giving you the Fibonacci numbers. I mean, you could actually look at an extension. This is going to be a big extension. Look at it that way. Look at it from here. It's probably a better look at it. Before the inventory number came out, that would be a better look at it. Where the market could go. You got 100% up here at $60 a barrel. Hold on to that right there. That one's actually looking pretty good. New highs. Right now we got 57.29 for a short based upon this line right here. $57.32. Alright, pausing. So I see something I want to trade. If we bust this high, we'll remove this here. If I get filled, I'll come back. Alright, so we busted it. We're going to remove it right now. Looking for it to get above it. Might be able to short at the line on the way back down. But we've got three levels to concern ourselves about. We have up here, 57.64, 57.78. Both of these is where I think the market's going to get to. I'm going to try once here at 42 though. Call it 41. That was just... Let's go 3 ticks above 50. This loses, we will hold for a high blue bar volume. I'm pausing until I find it. Alright, waiting for a high blue bar volume now. Pausing. Alright, we tried here. Trying at 33. Got a feeling though the market might be doing this. So I want to be careful. Just falling behind here. What do we got going on the other side of this? So 1p move from the high of 55 would be 34. The 2p down move from here is 57.12. Three p move 56.91. Let's go 39. All right, pausing. All right, so we took on a short here. Can't beat them, join them trade. We're using the other side of this is the 4 up, trying to get involved in an up, looking for the market to break out and move up. Pausing. FYI. The GAN 137.5 degree angle is 57.50 today. It's already been hit. So I'm looking for the market to at least get back to there. And we're looking at the extensions right now. This is where I'm trying to figure out where I want to put my... Right here is where I think the market can get to. 58.59 up to the R2 line. So I'm 10 ticks off of that at 49 right now holding. All right, going to pause and see what happens here. See if we get something. All right, so what I'm thinking is that I catch the tiger by the tail. I'm not against going long. It's just I know that a lot of my long signals, if I would have went long right at the open, I would have been stopped out. So you have to find the right spot to get long. Today, it was the fourth time through going to the upside. So that's why I'm hoping we can break. Obviously, this right here, this level is the GAN 137.5 degree angle. Get back here, and we have a high of 55. But obviously, I'm looking for us to move up to, I'm looking for us to get up here to R2. We got lots of crap to get through to get there, though. Got 64, which I think we can get to now, be the new playing point. And we have 57.79. And then we got where I believe the market can go if it wants to really run. So basically another 100 ticks from where we're trading right now. What's kind of interesting, once again, is this extension that we're looking at right now. Look what it's throwing in here at 100%. $60 and a penny. Very interesting. This is on the hourly charts. All right, I'm going to pause until we keep running here. Be back if we keep moving. All right, so we did get to the 50 again here, the GAN number. I believe that we're going to get at least to 64 on this stretch up before we retrace. Going to go up to here, into this levels. This is where we're heading. 64 to 79. All right, be back if we get there. And then you have crazy moves like this right here. The hell caused that right there? And once again, here's why it's hard to trade the crude oil market. Thought I was in good position. Well, all the way back up here. Here's a swinging gate working the other way. This is what I call the swinging gate that kicks my ass. It's tough to trade. And then you have the swinging gate that comes through here like this. So you have your GAN signal right here. It works both ways. I see it better when the market's going down. There's your swinging gate coming back down, and just enough to take me out. Then it does its own thing. It's tough to trade. Just have to have unlimited stop loss here, and you don't get that at TopStep Trader. That's what I try to tell traders when you're trading here. That everyone has an answer for all my problems, but the problem is, how do you protect against this shit like that? There's no way to protect against that. You got the movement, the market's moved your way, you're 3 ticks higher than the high, and the market decides to head down and through your stop. I mean, the only way I could have held that is holding at the 27 level at this point. And who's to say that that's not going to get run on this down move here? So you tell me, how do you hold that? Of course, those that have, you know, unlimited budgets could have held. So I'm sitting here minus what, minus 16, and then this comes down here. I took 2 shots of the short, had the long signal, caught it, and then it just takes you out. I mean, there's really no way that I know to protect against this move when you're in, because I'm going to get to break even on a move that does that. I'm going to take my break even, and I expect the market to go deeper because we have a top pattern here. Very, very frustrating market. It's been frustrating for a while for me, since mid-October. So here you go. Just doesn't make any sense, right? Sometimes the market just doesn't make any sense. New high, had red bar, blue bar, and then it comes down here. This pulls into what I call a tiebreaker. So what I'm looking for personally is the tiebreaker volume. We got a red and a blue, so I'm looking for another to come out here and break this tie. Be back if I see anything. All right, so I got my 10-minute timer on after that last one, and it took an extra 10 minutes. I want to stop this video here at the end of 3 trades. I'm down 12 ticks, 3 trades.